Hey, I need to explain this, how to make the booklet. Okay, so take two sheets of paper, just plain white sheets of paper. Okay, pick one, fold it like so. Just fold it so it is even like so, like it's going to be a booklet. Okay, then take that and you're going to cut into the edges like so, and like here, only about 2 inches in. Okay, about 2 inches in. I'll show you what that looks like with this. Okay, you got this? So it should look like this when you are done. Okay, just about 2 inches in, 2 inches in. Okay, so there's two slits on that. Okay, so then when you fold it, it still looks like a booklet. Okay, now take the other piece of paper. Okay, now take the other piece of paper, and here's a second one. You can fold it and then fold it like this. I'm going to go slow with this, okay? And you can watch this a second time. This is a blank piece of paper. This is the one that you haven't touched yet, okay? Fold it like this, then fold it again. Fold it again like this, okay? So it's like that. Now open it up again. Notice, here's the open end. Here's the closed end, okay? Watch, okay? So what you're going to do on the closed end, this is the closed end. You're going to cut this little over half. Okay? I'm going to open that up so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay? Remember, we folded it lengthwise, then we folded it like this, made the crease, opened it up again, and on the closed end, you cut it a little over half. Okay? Then you take it, you open it up like this. There's going to be a slit on the back side, and this is where the binding of the booklet would be, this opening. Now it may look like you just wrecked it, but you didn't, because we are going to take the first sheet that we did, this one, remember this? Okay, remember this one right here we did? We're going to take this one that we just cut. I'm going to try to show this on the screen. Okay, you're going to take this one with the two ends, and you're going to open up this one right here, and you're going to slide this paper inside of that slit. Okay, you're going to slide it in. Now watch. Okay, we're going to put it in like so. Okay, and we're going to go a little farther. And then what you have to do is you have to curve the paper a little. You have to curve the paper a little so that it'll slide in there. Just slide it in there, up to this slit for the bottom part. I don't know if you could see that. You end up with a book, okay? A booklet. Then, I just want to show you how that's done again, okay? I'm going to try to do it so that you can see better in case you couldn't see it the first time, okay? So, you watch it now. Pull this out. I'll pull this out to show you how to do it again. So you take this slit, right? Have it open like it's in, the booklet is open, right? and you're going to take this one and you're going to slide it in. Like so. Get it so that that slit is right there at the top. Then you're going to curve this paper that you're putting into the center. You're going to curve it and slip it through there so it goes through the middle of that slit. And you're going to fix it, fold it, and you got a booklet. Okay? All right? And then what you end up with is a booklet that you can turn the pages. All right? Okay. Now, with that, you are going to take and make a booklet on heat. And this is from last year. Grace Brinkman did it. So you have what you just made, and you're going to make a title page or a front cover. And you can put it however you want. However you want to decorate it, you can put all these different words on there. Okay? And inside then, on each page, you're going to show one example of each. So there's conduction, right? Conduction. And she has like a stove. And you can see it says, trying to hold this upright. Heat going through solids. The pan is hot. Okay. The pan is hot because the heat travels through the electricity, goes through the cord and then heats it up. Then convection, you got a pot and you got water in there and it's boiling. Heat's going through water, convection. And then she wrote this. So you have an explanation in your own words. Look how cool and nice and neat she did it. Then you have radiation over here. And she has a fire, heat radiating off the fire. So you can do whatever you want. You can do the sun, you can do a picture, however. Insulator, from today's videos, think of an insulator. She has mittens to keep her hands warm, right? And then she has an explanation. An insulator is something that keeps the heat in or out. The gloves help keep the heat in your hand. Okay? Then she has a conductor. And she has, for the conductor, she has a heating strip or cover for the pipe to keep that warm. It keeps the heat into the pipe so it doesn't get cold for the winter, so they don't freeze, right? And then she has the description for the conductor. And on the last page, she shows heat movement. So heat always moves from one place to another. Cold does not. You lose heat from your body. You don't get cold. You lose heat. Cold doesn't come into you. Heat leaves you, and that's why you feel cold. Okay, so she just has an example of that. You can use anything, any way to describe and show understanding of that. If you have any questions, please ask. But I know this is kind of long, but please ask if you have any questions. This is how it should look at the end. You can draw something fun on the backside if you want. And then you need to take some pictures of each page so that I can see it. And then you put it onto Google Classroom for this assignment. Attach it. Okay. Please let me know if you still have questions. I'll do what I can. Thanks.